Today I'll be making Tsukune, Japanese chicken meatball skewers. Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. You can make this popular izakaya dish at home. By using a broiler, your tsukune comes out juicy and delicious. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
In a small saucepan, combine quarter cup of water, quarter cup of sake, half cup of mirin, half cup of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, lower the heat to a simmer and cook for about 30 minutes. Remove from the heat when the sauce has thickened and reduced by half. The sauce will continue to thicken as it cools. Soak bamboo skewers in water for 30 minutes. Soaking will prevent the skewers from burning while broiling. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add 1/3 of the ground chicken. You don't need to add oil in the frying pan. Cook the meat until no longer pink. Transfer the cooked meat to a large bowl and let it cool completely. Stack and roll up shiso leaves and then cut into thin julienne slices. Cut green onions into thin slices. When the cooked ground chicken has cooled, combine it with the remaining ground chicken. Then, 2 tablespoons of miso, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Using the wooden spatula, knead the mixture well. Add the julienne shiso and chopped green onions. Combine the mixture around the bowl and then mix with your hands. Knead and fold the mixture in clockwise direction 30 times, then counterclockwise 30 times. The meat will become paler in color and sticky. Prepare a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and brush a wire rack with oil. Lightly coat your hands with sesame oil and scoop up a portion of the chicken mixture. Toss the meat back and forth between your hands to release the air pockets. Then, shape the meat to form it into a long oval patty, about 4 inches in length. Place a skewer on the meat along the center line of the patty. Then, close the 2 sides of the patty around the skewer to encase the stick. Form the patty into a long cylindrical shape. Gently toss the skewer patty from one hand to the other a few times to make sure the front and back sides are nicely formed. Place the finished tsukune on the prepared wire rack and continue with the rest of tsukune. Notice how I place the skewers with the meat pointing to the center. Lightly sprinkle coarse sea salt over the meat. Prepare aluminum foil to cover the skewer handles and keep them from burning. Preheat the oven broiler to high. Place the baking sheet on the middle rack of the oven, about 8 inches away from the heating element. Cook for 6 minutes. Take out the baking sheet from the oven. Using a pair of tongs, flip the tsukune. Return the baking sheet to the oven and broil the other side for 4 minutes, or until the chicken's internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the tsukune and brush the yakitori sauce. Broil for another 45 to 60 seconds to caramelize the sauce. Transfer the skewers to a serving plate and brush extra sauce on the meat. Sprinkle optional shichimi tougarashi, Japanese 7 spice for a spicy kick. Enjoy! Itadakimasu!
I hope you enjoyed this recipe and check out more videos here. What's your favorite dish at izakaya restaurant? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. またね!